Next one is previous we have discussed. Aryl halides are less reactive towards nucleophilic substitution reactions compared to the alkyl halides. Reasons also we have discussed. But in the examination, PU examination, you need not to explain all the points. 4 points, 4 headings we have discussed. That only you have to write in the examination. One is due to the resonance effect and difference in the hybridization of the carbon in CX bond, instability of carbocation, electronic repulsion. These 4 points only you have to write. No need to give any explanation here. Next one, replacement by hydroxyl group. Clear? And if I take chlorobenzene, this is the chlorobenzene, and you know that, and this is carbon and chlorine it is not a single bond. And we have already discussed it is a partial double bond character, so that's why replacement of this chlorine by the nucleophile is very difficult, so that's why they are very less reactive towards the nucleophilic substitution reactions. But if you use drastic conditions and nucleophilic substitution reaction takes place, and I will take here NaOH, it is a nucleophile, Na plus and OH minus is a nucleophile, and you have to maintain 623 Kelvin high temperature and also 300 atmospheric pressure. Then what happened? And the second condition, H plus hydrolysis. Clear? Then what you will get? You will get the chlorine will be substituted by what it is here, OH, and this compound we will call as a phenol. On the benzene ring OH is there, we will call it is a phenol. And you see, first if I take this is, and what you will get actually, you will get the OH, but which condition we are used here? NaOH. NaOH means basic condition. Basic condition, it is acidic, so that's why what you will get here, and sodium phenoxide. And if you do the hydrolysis, H2O, that is H plus ion in the presence of acidic medium, and you know H will be here and OH, NaOH will be removed and OH will be here. So that's why H plus we use here. And the next one, another one important thing is that if electron withdrawing groups are present, on ortho position and para position, clear, then the rate of reaction is increases. And here NaOH and 443 Kelvin, you need not to maintain the pressure here, and it is H plus ion second step. Then you will get the compound is this reaction is fast as compared to the previous, and what you will get here, NO2. And if you take another electron withdrawing group on para position, NO2, two NO2 groups, this reaction become somewhat fast compared to previous one. And here you have to maintain NaOH and you have to maintain 368 Kelvin pressure. You see, as the number of NO2 groups means electron withdrawing groups, increases at ortho and para position of chlorobenzene, then we are conditions here liberal. You see, previous 623, 443, 368 means we are decreasing the temperature, then even though reaction taking place. So that's why means whenever electron withdrawing groups are present on ortho and para positions, then the reactivity of chlorobenzene increases. And if you take 3 chlorine atoms on ortho para positions, 3 electron withdrawing groups, so it increases the rate of reaction of the aryl halides very fast. It increases the rate of reaction towards the nucleophile. Here, if I treat this one with the water and just warm the water, then automatically the reaction takes place. And OH and you know NO2 trinitrophenol. This is the C reaction. Means what? By these reactions we can easily identify that electron withdrawing groups present at ortho and para position, then the reactivity of halobenzenes, or you can say aryl halides, towards the nucleophilic reactions increases. Clear? why it increases when electron withdrawing groups present at ortho and para positions, then why the rate of reaction of aryl halides increases. That we have to discuss here. Clear? By seeing these conditions, we can easily understand. You see, there is no electron withdrawing group. We have to maintain very drastic conditions. You see here, 3 electron withdrawing group. We have not maintained any drastic conditions here. Just water and warm. Then you are getting the product. Means as compared to chlorobenzene, and this trinitrochlorobenzene is more reactive. Why more reactive? Due to the NO2 groups. Clear? Why it is means we will discuss here. Clear? See now, as I mentioned, whenever NO2 groups are present at ortho position and para position, the reactivity of chlorobenzene increases. Why means, if you see the resonance structures, we can understand. Clear? Let's assume this is NO2 group present at ortho position. Whenever nucleophilic substitution reaction takes place, OH will attack here, chlorine will leave, OH will be added. And how it will take place means, these are the resonance structures. When OH is attacked here, this bond electron shift towards this carbon, and now this carbon is gaining electrons, so that's why here there will be a negative charge. And this negative charge, and here double bond is conjugation, so again resonance, and here negative charge will come, and this negative charge double bond is separated by single bond, conjugation, again resonance, this pair of electrons come here, and this bond pair electrons go towards this carbon gets the negative charge. Yeah, these are resonating structures. Means the negative charge shift from this carbon to this carbon. This is resonance hybrid. Next, what happened? You see, if this bond comes here, then chlorine will move, chlorine will leave, and finally you will get the OH and NO2. Same case for the NO2 group, electron withdrawing group, that is NO2 group present at para position. Same, OH minus attack here, this bond pair electron shift towards this carbon, and here this carbon gets the negative charge, and again this negative charge double bond are in conjugation, this pair of electrons comes here, this bond pair electrons come towards this carbon, NO2 attached carbon here having the negative charge. Again there will be a conjugation involved in the resonance. Clear? Then again this negative charge pair of electrons comes here, double bond will form, and Cl minus will be removed. Finally you will get Cl will be removed, and here double bond and NO2. This is resonance hybrid. For NO2 also same resonating structures. Now you know that in SN1 reaction we have already studied. If the intermediate is more stable, then the rate of reaction is very, very fast. Clear? These are resonance hybrids. You see, for ortho position, para position, and meta position, you are getting 3 resonance structures only. As the resonance structures increases, stability increases, but in 3 cases, resonance structures are same. But you know, I already mentioned, whenever ortho and para position NO2 groups are there, not on meta, only ortho and para, then only reactivity increases, I mentioned. Why? Because, you see, if you take the ortho position, see this first structure. I will write here. See the first structure. What is this first structure of resonance here? Cl, and here there will be a Cl and OH, and there will be a negative charge, nitrogen, double bond, and O minus and positive charge, and this is the resonance structure. You see, this negative charge is further stabilized by the resonance here. You see, here which one is there? Double bond. Here which one? Double bond, and negative charge separated by single bond. It again involved in the which one? Resonance. Then what the compound you will get? You see, you will get the compound is, and here chlorine and OH bond here. There will be a double bond NO minus, and here also O minus and positive. And due to this, we are getting another resonance structure here. This is the resonance structure. Means this negative charge present on the ortho position is further stabilized by the NO2 group. Means this is a more stable. Means carbanion negative charge ion is stabilized by the at ortho position by the NO2 group. Same case if you see this one. Third one, this is second structure. Second structure, if you see, and here there will be a negative charge, and here chlorine and OH, and here also which one? N plus, double bond O, and O minus. And this negative charge stabilized by the resonance, and also it will be stabilized by the NO2 group. Got the point? So that's why you will get the another resonance structure, and chlorine and OH bond and double bond N plus, and here O minus, and here O minus. And if the negative charge present on the para position and NO2 group present on the para position, that stabilizes the carbanion here. But if you take, if NO2 group is present on the meta position, see, if you take here in this structure, is any structure the negative charge is present next to the NO2 group attached carbon? No. See, it is on the ortho position, and the negative charge not coming on the meta position, it is coming on the para positions only. So that's why here negative charge is stabilized by only resonance, not by the NO2 group. Where in meta, when NO2 group is present at meta position. So that's why whenever NO2 groups are present at ortho position and para position, then the carbanion is further stabilized. It is stabilized by benzene ring and also NO2 group. So that's why these and resonance structures are, and here you are getting 3 and another one is there here 2, 5, and here 3 plus 2, 5. But here how many resonance structure? 3 resonance structure, and greater the number of resonance structure, greater will be the stability. So that's why this carbanion is more stable when NO2, carbanion is more stable when NO2 is present at ortho position and para position. So that's why the nucleophilic substitution reaction is very fast. Clear? So NO2 groups are present at ortho and para position, nucleophilic substitution reactions are very fast.